Hello, and welcome to the e-learning Digital Services for Intelligent Valve. As you can see on the left-hand side, there is an overview of all chapters and topics we have prepared for you. By connecting intelligent devices by Siemens to the Siemens Cloud, customers can extend their capabilities and leverage digital services such as Building Operator. Regardless of whether you are a service provider in charge of maintaining a customer site or an energy contractor committed to optimizing the energy consumption of your customer's plant, you can greatly benefit from digital services for Intelligent Valve. In preparation for connecting to the Siemens Cloud, the Intelligent Valve is first connected to an Internet router as part of an IPv4 network. A successful connection to the IP network is indicated by the green LED on the right side of the Intelligent Valve controller box. In addition, the cloud connection must be activated with the ABT Go mobile app. The green LED on the right will turn purple to confirm that the Intelligent Valve is successfully connected to the Siemens Cloud. This connection process might take a few minutes. Please note that a WLAN direct connection overrides the cloud connection, indicated by a flashing blue LED. In this case, just turn off WLAN direct. Let's look at the onboarding process. Assuming correct and completed preparation, the Intelligent Valve will automatically register itself with the Siemens Cloud via the secure HTTPS port. No gateway is required for this connection. To onboard the Intelligent Valve in the Siemens Cloud and use digital services, create a new site and attach the Intelligent Valve to it. Next, assign the registered Intelligent Valve to the site by entering the unique activation key. The key is imprinted on the Intelligent Valve controller box, or it can be read out from ABT Go. Let's demonstrate this procedure while we connect to the Building Operator. Enter the address buildingoperator.siemens.com. At this login page, we assume that a valid company registration has been performed. If the customer does not yet have a Siemens ID, simply register to create one. We sign in with our Siemens ID, a Siemens-wide account that allows customers to access digital services with a single account. With the first login, we can select either the Building Operator free trial or the standard activation subscription. We enter our company name and address. Then we confirm that our company has a valid agreement with Siemens, review the subscription, and activate the license. Now we add the site, enter the site name, geographical address, and select the company. By switching to Asset Manager, we select the newly created site. At this point, we assign the Intelligent Valve by entering and validating the activation key. Lastly, we enter a custom name and description and add the device. Building Operator allows us to remotely monitor and operate a multitude of sites. This opens up new opportunities for remote assistance, real-time troubleshooting, and corrective maintenance. Assume you are an energy contractor tasked with the analysis of energy flows of a customer's building. This requires both present and historical data. This data can be viewed, for instance, with a dedicated dashboard. To access the dashboard, navigate to the newly created site and select the Intelligent Valve. The dashboard pops up with information regarding present power and flow as well as temperature. Scrolling down, the volume, flow, and heating power can be visualized over a selected period of time. The dashboard helps you to evaluate and utilize your data and to gain breakthrough insights. Furthermore, a PDF report can be generated for documentation purposes. The report includes the selected data and the relevant site information. If you are a service provider, connecting intelligent valves to Building Operator presents new and novel opportunities to troubleshoot and maintain your customer's site. In the case of troubleshooting, switch to the Data Points tab. The Building Operator stores data point values for up to 1 year. This is very useful for making reliable analysis about a given situation. You can inspect the history of a given data point, such as primary return temperature, and generate reports for documentation purposes. In addition, the data point's history can be downloaded as a CSV file. Besides energy monitoring and troubleshooting, Building Operator allows you to maintain your customer sites remotely. Let's imagine that you, as a service provider, are tasked with keeping the HVAC systems running problem-free in a shopping center. Frequent tenant changes require adjustments to the heating and cooling systems to ensure optimal performance and maximized uptime. In this example, a tenant change requires you to enable the minimum volume flow. To do so, select the corresponding data point, change the value to Yes, and confirm it. The changes are transmitted immediately. As soon as Intelligent Valve has accepted the new settings, the updated values are communicated to the Siemens cloud and shortly thereafter become visible in Building Operator. As you can see, set points can be remotely adapted, saving you the inconvenience and cost of an on-site visit. To ensure that the new settings guarantee the optimal performance of the Intelligent Valve, you can now execute the HVAC balancing self-test. To do so, switch back to Asset Manager. Select the site, the Intelligent Valve, and finally, the Balancing tab. The overview shows the results from the most recent self-test. Click on Start to trigger a new execution of the HVAC balancing self-test. The self-test will run and display the results after execution. Observe that the self-test is complete and the results are displayed on the screen. If all results are green, then through the prior modifications, the Intelligent Valve is both balanced correctly and performing optimally. Lastly, you can create a report for documentation purposes by clicking the Download button. It's clear to see that Building Operator, one element of Siemens Digital Services, is a powerful cloud-based extension of the remote service capability for operating and monitoring intelligent valves. If you want to learn more about Building Operator, navigate to the Help page, where you can find user guides and tutorials.